is 1990 Honda CRX. Can you do the lights? This is a custom tail lights. Time to start remote to control the tail lights. Not only he goes to a lot of car shows, and he would like to have a longer distance, which is up to 3-mile distance, so he can control lights from his remote.
When you touch that, because it's going in and out.
This is all custom job.